Hi, welcome my friend. The Greenworks 24 volt brushless drill/driver and impact driver combo kit provides tools that are compact and lightweight, but with plenty of power for heavy duty application. The brushless motor delivers more power, longer runtime, and an extended motor life. With the flexibility of 18 torque settings, stripping screws can be a thing from the past. The combo kit includes a 24 volt drill/driver impact driver, two 24 volt battery charger and tool bags. The Greenworks 24 lithium-ion platform powers over 50 indoor and outdoor products. The 24 volt lithium-ion battery provides 20% more and 35% more runtime while delivering the fade-free power with no memory loss after charging. The outdoor power equipment allows you to tackle up to quarter acre with the available 1.5 ampere hour, 2 ampere hour, and 4 ampere hour batteries. USB ports are integrated into the BAG 711, BAG 708, BAG 709 batteries, making it a portable charger for phones, tablets, and other compatible electronic accessories. The Greenworks 24 platform comes with a 3-year tool/battery warranty to protect your investment. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.